Oh, oh,
I was born where the sunrise touches gold, where stories of courage are proudly told. From the mountains high to the ocean wide, Africa's power is alive inside.
They may not know our pain, they may not see our fight, but we rise again like stars in the night. I am strong because I'm African, built from hope, fire and dreams. I am proud because I'm African, greater than the world has seen.
From Cameroon to Ghana,
From Lagos to Cape Town,
Africa stand up.
you were born for the crown.
From Cameroon to Ghana,
From Lagos to Cape Town,
yeah. Africa stand up.
you were born for the crown.
Our mothers carried nations
In their hands,
our fathers built futures.
from the sand,
Our youth are the fire.
our elders the guide.
Africa's greatness will never hide.
No matter the struggle, we don't fall. One people, one heartbeat, standing tall. Black, bold, blessed, and free. Africa lives in you and me. I am strong because I'm African. My roots run deep and wide. I am proud because I'm African, with history on my side. Africa, rise up, let the whole world see. We are strong.